extent yan, isa yan sa akin, sa memories ko, na parang, sige, okay lang gipit, basta nakakatulong tayo sa iba, di ba? Very important for us to identify and actually go back, na pagka, yun nangyari ba sa magulang mo or sa family mo growing up, yan din ba yung nangyayari sa'yo ngayon, di ba? It means meron talagang pattern, meron kang memories in your life growing up na nagbigay niyan sa'yo. Pag usapang pera ba, do you feel stressed? Or feeling mo parang, nako, hindi dapat pag-usapan, ganyan. So, halimbawa, yung nanay mo ba, kinailangan niya gumawa ng maraming side hustle? Not just your mom, di ba? Anyone in your family. Ang belief naman yan is you can create money if you're resourceful. So, it's not all bad. It could be good memories. Baka meron kayong good memories done with money. So, parents gave money to relatives even if we were short. It means helping others is more important than your own needs. Yan yung tinuro. Yan, siguro to some extent yan, isa yan sa akin, sa memories ko, na parang, sige, okay lang gipit, basta nakakatulong tayo sa iba. Diba? We were told not to talk about money. Taboo subject siya, you should keep it private. Only cash was used, credit was avoided. That is dangerous and should never be touched. Most of us here tonight, ang feeling, ang emotion, ang memories surrounding pera is quite negative. Tama ba? Is it safe to conclude this for tonight? It's quite negative na parang hindi pinag-uusapan. Even sa trabaho, I don't know if you experience this. Huwag ka masyadong magbigay ng amount. Di ba pag tinatanong ka magkano yung salary, di ba? Nahihiya kang magsabi more than what you actually want kasi baka hindi pasok dun sa salary for the job na in-applyan mo, di ba? So most of this, correct me if I'm wrong, most of our beliefs sa pera, negative. Meron ba kayong naalalang positive memory about ego nga, which is, I think, correct me if I'm wrong, parang karamihan ng tao, yan ang problema para mag-upgrade ng kinikita nila. Kasi